guys, so this is the current situation. As you may see, this is the main thing which we're gonna build, and then this is box 2 and box 3, which I'm guessing is supposed to help with this one or complete the structure. What you see below you right now is, or in front of you, is the bed that I've been staying on for about a week. Definitely I'm finally ready to build the frame so that I won't be on the floor anymore. We're gonna see how that goes. So we have our Bosche drill here, and this is legit, look. Yeah, so we're gonna use this by adding these bits for all the different screws that we need to put for this bed frame. I've always wanted to build something myself, so watch the process. It's gonna take a while, but we're getting there by opening our box first. Okay, so we're gonna open this box. It's night and day. We're just getting glasses on because we're serious or something. Alright. Gotta be resourceful. I literally don't have sharp things. And people thought I couldn't do this. Okay, oh my gosh, guys! Okay, we got it open. We got it open. Okay, beautiful. Oh my god, kaya ko ba ito? It's becoming scarier. I don't know what I got myself into. Anyways, so we're gonna see if this works. But this is what the first box looks like. Nothing has obviously been put together yet because there's no screws. I think the funny thing is if I open all of these boxes and there are no screws. Okay, we're gonna see whether there are screws in the 2 other boxes right this second. I'm so tired. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We finally got the instruction manual. As you can see, this is the, well, part 1 of the entire bed frame, and I'm so proud and so happy to be some part of the way there. It doesn't look like a bed yet, but it looks like something, which I guess is really great already for me, because it's not anymore just planks on the floor. And so we're going to go and continue with this, and yeah, so just keep going if you want to see this come together. Add like a board on top, and then that's gonna be the back of the drawer. Yeah. Time check, I'm pretty sure it's somewhere close to midnight. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna go and slide this in now. Been a long journey. So we're gonna put this in and then we're done for the day. We're literally done. We don't have to do anything else. This is it.